Output statement in Python. The print outputs a complete line and then moves to the next line for subsequent output. Syntax. For example, Example 1. Input and output statements in Python. Program. Output. Description. In the above program, we changed the value of two variables using a third variable, temp. Example 2. Declaring and assigning a value to a variable. Program. Output. apple.com. Description. Here website is the name of the variable. apple.com is the value of the variable that is printed. Example 3. Changing the value of a variable. Program. Output. apple.com www.stemrobo.com. Description. In the above program, we assigned a value apple.com to the variable website initially, then its value is changed to www.stemrobo.com as Python is dynamically typed language. Example 4. Assigning multiple values to multiple variables in a single statement. Program. Output. 5. 3.2. Hello. Description. In the above program, we assigned different values to different variables in one statement. It is one of the interesting features of Python where multiple variables can be declared using a single statement and each variable is separated from other by comma. Example 5. Assigning same value to multiple variables. Program. Output. Same. Description. In the above program, we assigned same value to different variables, all types of values like integer, float, boolean, etc. Example 6. Arithmetic operators in Python. Program. Output. Description. In the above program, we assigned values to different variables and then performed different arithmetic operations on it. Example 7. Comparison operators in Python. Program. Output. Description. In the above program, we assigned values to different variables and then performed different arithmetic operations on it. Example 8. Logical operators in Python. Program. Output. Description. In the above program, we have used two variables and then performed various logical operations on it, compared variable values logically.